In this video, I will show you how to update your Chrome extension in Chrome browser on your PC, whether you are using Windows PC or Mac. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here until you get to app. Go ahead and navigate to about Google Chrome right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on extensions. Then under the extensions right here, you're going to see the number of extensions you have in your Chrome browser. How can you update some of these extensions to fix bugs and operational efficiency of any extension you have on your Chrome browser? For that, what you want to do right here is to make sure you enable developer mode. Once you turn on developer mode, next thing you want to do is to come to the update options right here. Go ahead and hit on update. You can see extension updated. All the extension you have in right here is going to be fully updated. And as a result of that, you start enjoying all the extension you have in your Chrome browser on your Windows PC or on your Mac. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.